In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a settings icon in Figma. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, this step-by-step guide will help you craft a professional-looking settings icon that you can use in your UI designs. So, let's get started. We'll begin our process right in your Figma canvas. If you haven't already opened a new project or existing file, go ahead and do that now. Figma is a fantastic tool because it operates right in your browser, making it accessible from anywhere. Once you're in your Figma workspace, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the main menu. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu with several options. Navigate through this menu by clicking on File. This is where we can access some foundational features of Figma that will come in handy for our task today. Next, from the File menu, go ahead and click on Place Image. This option allows you to import images that you can use as a reference or a starting point for your design. When you select Place Image, Figma will prompt you to choose an image from your computer or linked libraries. For today's project, you'll want to select a settings icon from your library. If you already have one saved, locate it in your files. If not, you might want to quickly search for a settings icon online or use a template that you've downloaded previously. Once you've selected your image, Figma will load it into your canvas. Now, with your settings icon image on the canvas, you can start designing. Use the various tools available in Figma to trace, adjust, and refine your icon. Be sure to make use of the vector editing tools to ensure your icon is scalable and looks crisp at any size. You can add additional elements or modify the existing design to better fit your project's aesthetic. Remember, a good settings icon should be simple and intuitive, easily recognizable at a glance. Keep your lines clean and your shapes clear. Consistency is key, so try to match the style of the icon with the rest of your UI elements. Once you're satisfied with your icon, you can export it for use in your projects. Figma makes it easy to export in various formats, so choose the one that best suits your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully created a settings icon in Figma. With these skills, you can now go on to create more icons and refine your UI design toolkit. Thanks for watching and happy designing!